How to fix Instagram automatically turning off problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram automatically turning off problem solve. So guys, if you are trying to open Instagram and it just uh, turn off automatically. I just had this problem few hours ago and I'm making this video after fixing the problem. So guys, if you're facing this type of problem, no need to worry, you just need to watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So guys, first of all, what you need to do here is that you have to go to your settings. Okay, after going to settings here, scroll down. After scrolling down, go to apps or install apps or app management. Okay, so after going here, this type of interface will be pop up. Go to app management, and then here this is the place, this is the area where all the application which has been installed to your phone will be available here. So let me just search for Instagram here. Okay, here it is. Simply tap on Instagram, and then you have to scroll down and click on storage usage. Simply tap on storage usage. Okay, and then you have to click on this clear data. So in different phone, in different devices, there will be some different areas, but you have to click on clear data and make sure to click on clear data and also cache. Okay, so after doing this, just go back and scroll down. Here you will get one option, permission option. Simply tap on permission, and then here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, you have to allow microphone, camera, location, storage, contact, phone, everything. You have to allow each and every one. Now after doing this, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store, and after going to Play Store, here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, and here if your Instagram is asking for any update, make sure that you update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, what you need to do is that if your Instagram is not asking for any update, just leave it. What you need to do after this is that you have to switch off your phone once. Okay, after switching off your phone, you just need to switch on it, and then you have to log in with your Instagram ID. I am 110% sure this problem will be fixed. Guys, if it is not fixed, then what you need to do is that you have to delete your Instagram from your device and then reinstall it. This gonna be absolutely solved. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.